So I have some solar lights that I bought from Costco 3 years ago. They came in a pack of four, so I bought four packs for a total of 16. And after 3 years, most of them don't work anymore. And sometimes they turn on, sometimes they don't. They just don't last very long. Some of them don't turn on at all. So for this project, I'm gonna see if I can bring them back to life, put some new rechargeable batteries in them, and see if they'll work again. I mean, they're pretty cheap. I really could just throw them away, but it just seems like a waste of plastic and supplies to just throw things away. And you could put a $1 battery in them and they'll be good for like another 3 years. So for this video, that's what we're gonna do. See if we can order some rechargeable batteries and swap them in and see if they'll come back to life. First thing I'm gonna do is wash all the loose dirt off of them just to make them easier to handle. All right, now that it's clean, if you haven't already, you can go ahead and turn it off by moving it to the left, which is where the O is. And then you just have to remove these 3 screws. So just get yourself a small screwdriver and go ahead and remove them. So my 3 screws are out. And now we're gonna go ahead and flip this over. And as you can see, it just falls apart. The top just comes right off. And then you have this. So all you have to do is just lightly pull up. And then you have access to the AA battery. And this is all it is. So as you can see, it's rechargeable. So we're gonna go ahead and replace these with some new rechargeable batteries and we'll see how they work out. If you want, you can go ahead and clean this up. All you have to do is just lift up the silicone seal. And then remove it. And then go clean this up, get a toothbrush, clean all this out with some water. Same thing with this. This will just fall apart. So you can just clean all this up too, so that when you put it back together, it'll make a good seal because there's not a bunch of dirt preventing the seal from adhering. So let's go ahead and get that done, put in the new battery and see how it looks. So I finished cleaning these up. These are the old batteries. I did find out after I tested these out that these are the only ones that work, and I have 5 that don't work. So I'll see if I can bring these back to life, but you know what, they're only $4 or $5, so if I can't figure it out, I'm just gonna let them go. This one's pretty obvious. The wire on this one fell off. It should be going here, and it fell off, and the red wire's off too, so. But I'm not gonna go buy a $20 soldering iron just to fix this light, so I'll try to see if I can save them for parts, but if not, I'll just throw them away. But hey, at least I can recover these. They all work once I put the batteries in them, so let's go ahead and reassemble them and see how they look. Okay, so these are the 11 that ended up all working. This one's a little dim, not really sure why, but hey, at least I brought them all back to life. These are the Amazon Basic batteries that I bought. One of these doesn't work, even though, or 2 of them don't work, even though they register as having a charge. So I'm not sure what happened there. They're only $1, so I'm not gonna cry about it. When you put these back together, don't forget the silicone ring. It goes back in here. I forgot one of them, and I had to go through and check a few before I realized which one it was. Also, when you put this back on here, this is directional. There's only one way you can put it back on. So you have to align this circle right here, this mounting circle, with this little notch right here. So if you do it the other way, you do this, then it won't mount properly because the ring is right here. So, but other than that, that's pretty much it. So let's go put these outside and see how they look at night. All right, it's nighttime, and we can see that they're all lit up pretty well. There's 4 over there. There's 2 over here. And then the flower garden, flower bed, it's all lit up. So definitely this was a success. Took some solar lights that didn't work anymore or were flashing, put in some $1 rechargeable batteries, and they're back to working like they should. So definitely give it a try. If you guys want to restore your solar lights and bring them back to life, make them useful for another 2-3 years.